As you approach retirement, you'll have to make many decisions regarding your health insurance. And not just Medicare, which includes, of course, original Medicare, Medicare supplement plans, Medicare Advantage, and Medicare Part D. You may also be considering critical illness plans and also long-term care coverage. Hi there, my name is Sarah, and I'm here today with iHealthBrokers to talk about your health insurance options. If this is your first time to our channel, welcome. Like I said, my name is Sarah, and I'm here with iHealthBrokers. At iHealthBrokers, we are licensed health insurance brokers, and we are licensed nationwide. So if you have any questions whatsoever about Medicare or health insurance in general, please feel free to send us a message in the comments. And of course, you can give us a call at 888-410-0344. There's absolutely no charge for our services. Now, of course, please make sure to like this video. Liking this video will make it more visible to others who are looking for the same type of information. And as always, I remind you to subscribe. We do release these videos on a weekly basis, and we want to make sure that our clients and our viewers are as up to date as possible. And for extra bonus points, you can find us on YouTube, but you can also find us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at iHealthBrokers. So like I said, today we're going to be talking about your health insurance options in retirement more than just Medicare. So let's start with Original Medicare because that's going to cover a big chunk of your medical needs. Original Medicare is divided into two parts. Part A, which is your hospital insurance, and Part B, which is your outpatient insurance. Together, they really will cover most of your medical needs. However, you do need to be aware that there are premiums to be paid, as well as deductibles to be met, and then once you've met your deductibles, there are copays and coinsurance that you may be aware of. That's why many people look to a Medigap plan, also known as a Medicare supplement plan. Medicare supplement plans will not offer additional benefits that aren't already covered by Medicare, but they will mitigate that financial risk because they're going to impose an out-of-pocket maximum and they'll help you with the deductibles and coinsurance. So if you do need some type of additional benefits, then you may want to look into a Medicare Advantage plan. Medicare Advantage plans actually replace Original Medicare entirely, but they must offer at least the same benefits as Original Medicare. However, very often they throw in additional benefits. These would be things like hearing, vision, and dental, and possibly more. Medicare Advantage plans truly do run the gamut, so they can be a little bit trickier to comparison shop. Now, Medicare Advantage plans will also impose some type of out-of-pocket maximum, which is definitely a very good thing. However, with Medicare Advantage plans, you will lose access to that extremely broad Original Medicare network. You're going to be beholden to your carrier instead, which can be a little bit disadvantageous depending upon what area of the country you live in. Also, many Medicare Advantage plans will also offer prescription drug coverage. Not all, so make sure if you're looking into a Medicare Advantage plan that your plan does offer prescription drug coverage. If you don't have an Advantage plan, then you're going to need Medicare Part D to cover your prescriptions. So to summarize, Original Medicare is Part A and Part B, and you'll most likely be automatically enrolled when you turn 65. If you so choose, you can supplement that Original Medicare coverage with a Medigap plan, and you can add on Part D for your prescription drugs. Or you can replace Original Medicare entirely with a Medicare Advantage plan. The choice is yours. Now let's move on to the next type of insurance, long-term care coverage. Medicare does not cover long-term care, and this can come as a major surprise to people, especially because Part A does cover skilled nursing facility. However, it is not the same as long-term care. So skilled nursing facilities that are covered by Medicare are basically designed to help rehabilitate you after a short-term illness or injury. The key here is short-term. So a condition like Alzheimer's, which is of course long-term, would disqualify you. In order to be considered a skilled nursing facility by Medicare, they must provide some type of medical care, something that requires medical or nursing training. For long-term care coverage, of course, you'll have to pay a monthly premium on a monthly basis. And then if you do end up needing some type of long-term care, you'll have to meet an elimination period, which could be 30, 60, or 90 days. Basically, you'll spend 30, 60, or 90 days in the long-term care facility before your plan kicks in. At that point, things can work differently dependent upon the type of plan that you choose. Some plans will cover you for a specified amount of time. Some plans will cover you for up to a specified amount of money, and some plans have unlimited benefits. Of course, those plans with unlimited benefits do tend to be more expensive, and in general, long-term care coverage can be a more expensive type of health insurance. Now, to give you an idea, a healthy 55-year-old man could probably expect to pay somewhere around $1,700 per year in premiums for a long-term care plan. But of course, you're going to have to undergo some type of medical underwriting where they're going to look into your medical history, your gender, your age, etc. And your prices will be determined based on your medical underwriting and the type of plan that you choose. If you want to learn more about long-term care coverage, we're really just touching upon it in today's video, but we do have a video dedicated entirely to long-term care plans, which I will put in the description below. The last type of insurance that we're going to touch upon in today's video are critical illness plans. Now, these are sometimes referred to as dread disease plans, and basically they pay out if you are diagnosed with specific critical illnesses. Some examples include stroke, cancer, paralysis, coma, Alzheimer's, bypass surgery, angioplasty, kidney failure, and organ transplant. Now, this isn't a complete and full list. There's actually no such thing. You really need to check with your specific plan. Critical illness plans work differently than other types of health insurance. Basically, they're going to pay out a lump sum if you are diagnosed with a disease that qualifies you for your plan. So you could choose a plan that pays out $5,000. You could choose a plan that pays out a couple of $100,000. Of course, if you're going to choose a plan that pays out a larger sum of money, it's going to have more expensive monthly premiums, but that is entirely your choice to make. A good thing about critical illness plans is that when you receive your lump sum, it's entirely up to you to decide what to do with it. You could, of course, use it to pay your medical bills, but you could also use it to pay your mortgage if that better suits your needs. If you liked today's video, please make sure to click like, give us a thumbs up so we can get this info out there. And of course, please make sure to subscribe to stay up to date because we release these videos on a weekly basis. Now, today's video was really just a brief overview of the types of insurances available. However, if you want to learn more about Medicare or critical illness plans or long-term care coverage, we've got videos and playlists dedicated entirely to that, so make sure to check out our channel. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever, if you'd like to share your experiences, or if there's anything you feel like we left out of this video, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, you can give us a call at 888-410-0344. We are licensed nationwide, so no matter where you are, we can help. And of course, there is no charge for our services. As a reminder, you can find us on Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram at iHealthBrokers. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.